Adolescents, ages from 15 to 19 years old, a period of time where teens become responsible adults. In high school, athletes tend to take their sports seriously. But what happens if you get injured? How will that affect your future? Now, we talk about all sports: football, soccer, basketball, volleyball, golf, tennis, all sports your school has. But before all that, we need to learn how the teenage brain works. All the tasks you wish to do is controlled by your brain. Your brain is made out of 100 billion neurons. They have an amazing ability to gather and transmit information to the other nerve cells. There are 3 types of neurons: sensory neurons, which carry signals from the outer part of your body into the central nervous system. Motor neurons carry signals from the central nervous system to your muscles, skin, and glands. Interneurons connect various neurons within the brain and the spinal cord. Your brain is made out of 6 parts. The frontal lobe is involved with motor function, problem solving, memory, language, judgment, impulse control, and social and sexual behavior. The parietal lobe has a lot of responsibilities and has to be able to process sensory information within seconds. The parietal lobe is responsible of taste, temperature, and touch. The occipital lobe is responsible of sight. The occipital lobe is important to being able to correctly understand what your eyes are seeing. The temporal lobe mainly revolve around hearing and selective listening. Without our temporal lobe, we would not able to understand someone who's talking to you. The cerebellum is extremely important for being able to perform everyday tasks such as walking and writing. The writing stem has many basic functions such as regulation of heart rate, breathing, and sleeping and eating. If an adolescent gets injured, it depends on how severe or mild the TBI is. It also depends on what part of the brain you damage, because as we learned earlier, each lobe or parts of the brain have different functions. If a neuron is stretched or teared apart, it is called an axonal shearing. The damaged axons reduce normal brain function by interrupting communications between the neurons. Depending on what part of the brain is injured, physical symptoms are headache, nausea, dizziness, poor muscle coordination, light sensitivity, blurred vision, ringing in the ears, and slurred speech. This type of injury is called concussion. There are many ways to cure TBI. To cure TBI, you can get surgery to prevent secondary injury, acute treatment of a traumatic brain injury to minimize injury, and life support. And of course, rehabilitation helps the patient with its daily life. Healing process takes time depending on what your injury is. People don't take TBI seriously. Protecting your head and body is very important. Gear up and save a life. Thank you for watching. See you next time.